Kwanza asante sana wanahabari ambao mmekuja katika siku ya leo, wafanyikazi wa serikali ya Kisii County Government na the union officials of the Kenya National Union of Nurses ambao wamekuja leo hapa. Tunashukuru sana kwa niaba ya gavana wetu Mheshimiwa Paul Simbarati na sisi timu inayofanya chini yake. Tuko na furaha kwamba tumeweza kukubaliana na Kenya National Union of Teachers, Kenya National Union of Nurses ambao wamewakilishwa na Deputy Secretary General kutoka Nairobi, na tunashukuru sana. Tumekuwa na changamoto ya mambo ya wafanyikazi ya nurses katika mahospitali zetu, na kweli tumeona kwamba ni jambo la busara kuweza kukubali ama kukubaliana na kurudi kufanya kazi. Ili ni watu wetu hapa ambao wanasumbuka, ni kina dada zetu, kina mama zetu na watu wetu. Kwa hivyo tuna furaha kubwa kwamba tumeweza kuzungumza, tumeweza kuelewana na hatimaye kukubaliana kwamba mgomo wa wafanyikazi wa nurses uweze kukoma ama kukwisha, ile warudi kazini kusaidia watu wetu. I am therefore happy to say His Excellency the Governor, tumemzungumzia asubuhi, is very happy and appreciative of what has happened. Nasi kama wafanyikazi tuko chini yake, tunafurahia kwamba mgomo umeweza kukwisha ili kazi ianze, tusaidie watu wetu. Tunasema ni asante na ni asante sana. Sasa watu wetu wafurahie na kazi iendelee ili watu wetu wasisumbuke. Asante.
State, I'm Morris Sopetu, the Deputy General Secretary, Kenya National Union of Nurses. I want to take this opportunity to thank the office of the governor and the county government through the office of the DG for seeing it worth to convene the meeting that we have had since yesterday to today, when we have come to sign a return to work agreement after having a strike that commenced on 13th of this month. I want to say that we are grateful because it's a good gesture from the governor himself to have convened a big team involving all the stakeholders and the authorities to bring us on the table, and we have had a very good discussion. And I wish to say that we have realized that some of the issues that we had just needed good and timely communication. And therefore, going forward, we would like to request that we have such meetings when we don't have crisis, so that issues that we can settle without going into disputes or crisis, we can settle them and remain partners at work and serving the people of Kisii and helping the governor to deliver his dreams in healthcare. We want also to request that timely communications are done, and this is through the DG to the governor, because they have a caucus of COG where they sit. That COG should communicate and coordinate some of the issues that we have that deals with function of the national government, the county government in time, so that we are not left with a lot of doubt that sometimes make us call strike. Otherwise, I want to promise that as nurses of Kisii County and nurses of this nation, we are going to engage every now and again in amicably having resolution to our issues in time, so that we don't go into strikes and crises. Otherwise, we are so grateful, and we want to extend our appreciation to the governor through the DG. Thank you so much.
Members of the Fourth Estate, I'm Moses Irianga Onkenke, the Branch Secretary, Kenya National Union of Nurses and Midwives. We want to say thank you to the Kisii County Government through our DG for the engagement that we had since yesterday up to today. Today we have reached an agreement, and we hope that what we have agreed is going to be implemented. So as a branch secretary, I declare now that the strike is called off so that our members to resume work immediately as we engage other mothers, because the government has shown a goodwill and we want to engage. So the deputy governor, we appreciate your time, and we would like to engage more, and this is the spirit we want. Once we have called a strike, let us engage as soon as possible before it kicks off. So thank you, members. We wish all the public that as from tomorrow to come and get services in our public hospital, and we are sorry for what happened. It's normal in terms of labor. Thank you.
Whenever tobwato muchando lubwens munabona iga ato aderibaga to engage members of the union asa mangana yo mugomo ideally ota wenda ko bororo kiagera ibinte binge twangu kwanera mbiri serikali yaito ya county ya Kisii wethero buraibwe abo mugabano ito anyarire gokora, lakini aithuru twagambire twigwananire abanyagitari bari barenge gas nurses ngo bagarambia mono despite yo mugomo bari barenge gas bagenda gukora abantu baite gas ngo bagarambia mono andi mugenda ko bamono moyo yigo. Bwana DG, thank you so much. Tiga asengenjo tu adabiru mugomo erire abanyagitari bagenda ko gas kamuranje na mu report ye gas mugenda gukora abantu baite gas muna mukore gas no butambi buya intubune department ya health ntore tayari berango idonere was ko engage chinga kichinde chons kero muchando ndo bwensi ororo ida saba nasboka asaba nyagitari bonsi pi bakore gasi ne county ya Kisii tigo morembobe tobe no bomo tobe gentekemo tunyade kwagaja gusiya ito enya kororekana buya botambe muna mepanga yote serikali ere yasaya baseseni na nentramo. Asante.